Welcome to Modern Thatched Living, and today what I'd like to do is make a laptop stand, my laptop here, to raise it off the desk and create a little bit of space underneath for papers and notepads and things when I'm working here. It's a project that I'd like to do more for fun than necessity, and I don't think it should take too long to actually make something like this. Anyway, let's go out and start making it. So I've done this glue up twice. The first piece of wood had a cup in it, quite a bad cup, and a bow. Now I've managed to deal with the cup, but there's still a bit of a bow in it, and it's just a piece of wood which is proving really hard to work with. Every time I do something to it, it seems to move. So this was a project that I'm doing for fun, and it's not fun working with this bit of wood. So I started again, got another piece of wood out that looked better to start with, and jointed and glued it, and that has been really smooth. This took 45 minutes to do. The other piece was 3 hours worth of work, and I'm not really happy with it. So I'm going to work with this piece from now on. I'll still use the other bit in a future project, but for now I'm going to go with this one because it just feels like life is going to be easier working with this piece here. What I've completed here is so far is a maple top with a cherry inlay. Now the glue's dried now, so what I have to do now is go round with the trimmer out a bit and bring the inlay flush with the surface. And then I need to reduce the thickness of the board. It's a bit chunky at the minute. I need to get it down to about 18 mil, I think. I'm contemplating what sort of joint to do at the end, and whether perhaps I'll try using a lock mitre joint to do the edges. I think that could be really neat. Anyway, let's see how it goes today, and here we go. Here we are with the computer stand in place. To finish it off, I treated it with shellac and then beeswax. The lock mitre joint has worked really well. I think it would be difficult to improve upon this joint. It's definitely something that I'm going to use in future projects. This has been a fun project in the end, once I changed to a piece of wood that was easier to work with. I hope you've enjoyed watching it. Anyway, I look forward to seeing you next time. Goodbye.